Hey guys, how you doing today? My name's Evan down here in Mellow Vapes, Indian Land. Got a little bit of a treat for you guys today. Wanted to go over our Profile Unity RTA system, as well as talk a little bit about its little brother, Profile RDA. Now, I went ahead and I just got this today. Actually, this is my first mesh RTA, and so far, really impressed. But I'll talk a little bit more about how that one's hitting and stuff here in a minute. I'm gonna show you, we've got a couple different styles in here for you. I've got the rainbow one here. And we also have the black as well. I took that one, sorry, my bad. We have a rainbow one though. And a stainless steel as well. Now, quick little show you how this looks on the inside. There we go. It's real simple. You just got two posts on there, and it's a clamp style system, so very simple to use. You don't actually just have to use mesh. You can use a regular coil in here as well. Little screwdriver comes with the kit. Just kind of unscrew it here. I missed the screw head. Whoops. There we go. And get the other one. That boy's in there tight. There we go. And then it comes with a screen for you. No, not a screen. A little piece of mesh there for you. Oh, almost had it focused. No, not quite. I'm trying. I'm sorry, guys. There we go. Anyway, what you're going to do with this, it does come with another tool, little shaper tool right here. Just kind of bend it over here, just like that. There we go. Nice and simple, isn't it? And you just pop this boy in here, just like that. Oh, not just like that. I just launched it almost to the floor. Don't do that. Rookie mistakes. Just like that, kind of stretch it over, push it down in there. There you go. Just like that. Screw it back down in there. She'll never be a surgeon because I cannot operate on a person. This is bad. There we go. Hands are way too shaky. There we are. Nice and simple. Comes with a nice little cotton thing with a piece of plastic on the end, so you just pull it through real simple, cut it off on the sides, stuff them way down in that juice well, soak it up, pop your top back on, fill it up, and you are good to go. Super simple. Let's see how it hits. Now, I have not used an RDA or an RTA or anything of the sort in quite some time, and let me just tell you, I have missed the flavor and the amount of cloud and just how smooth the hit is off this stuff. It's actually incredible. I've been lazing around using pre-built mesh coils on a Geek Vape Alpha mesh tank for quite a while, and I hate to say this, but I don't think it's going back on here anytime soon. Just to show you guys what I'm using real quick too, we've got VPN Blue Slushy right here for you. It's a really good juice. Come check it out. We've got 35 mils for 13 bucks. We've got 12 different flavors, everything from a 3, 6, 12, and 18, and of course 0 for you guys as well. Let me get one more. I actually regret going back to tanks. This is, yeah. I don't really know what else to tell you guys other than that is one of the smoothest hitting RTAs that I've ever hit, and the juice flavor pops. Like, I don't even want to touch my tank right now. This is fantastic. Yeah, but go ahead. One last thing, let me show you where the juice fills up. You just kind of twist that right there, and you've got two sides that you can fill your juice at. I don't want to tilt that too much because I don't want to spill my juice. Twist that back down, and Let me just get this build deck off here for you. Let me show you what a fully built one looks like real quick. There we go. Come on. There we go. I had to fight it a little bit. There we go, guys. Nice and simple. Got a good bit of cotton in here. Possibly put a little bit too much in there, but it's super quick to set up. Like I said, it only took me about 3 minutes to get this in there. There we go. Fix that up a little bit. That's pretty much all there is to it, guys. You see as well real quick inside, it's got a nice conical shape to it, so brings the juice up there, also stops you from getting a lot of spit back, which is fantastic. I may have just leaked juice all over myself. On that note, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up for you guys. If you like the video, leave a comment, give us a subscribe, and check back for our next update. See you soon. Bye-bye.